Hello, ocean explorers. I'm Kristen and this is Starfish. Thanks for coming back for another episode. Today we're going to learn about some of the most mysterious and clever creatures out there. Yep, we're going to learn about squid. So let's put on our dive mask and take a dive. Whoa, look who it is. It's me and Kiara Coral. We're packing up the boat and heading on out to the reef. What a beautiful day. Okay, we found our spot. Let's throw the anchor. Squid. Yep, as Kiara surveys the coral, I'm gonna be searching for squid. Whoa, look at these squid right here. Did you know that squid have the amazing ability to change color in an instant? Yeah, they use special skin cells called chromatophores to camouflage and send signals or even put on light shows. Yeah, they have a really amazing ability to synchronize and put on these dazzling displays. Squids love to stick together. Some live alone, but many travel groups called schools. This helps them stay safe from predators and find food more easily. Plus, they're great at teamwork. Now, what do you think squids eat? Yeah, squids are expert hunters. They love to eat fish, shrimp, and even other squid. They use their long tentacles to grab the food and their super sharp beak. Yeah, it's like a beak like a bird that can grind and bite inside and make everything into pieces. Now, squid are also delicious. Yeah, they're quite the delicacy. People eat them all over the world as a tasty snack. Yeah, many people around the world enjoy eating squid called calamari. Yeah, they often fry it and it becomes nice and chewy, crispy, and delicious. Now, squid, just like octopus, move through the water by jet propulsion. They use it to zoom really fast. Next time you're in a pool, you should try pushing off a wall and see how fast you can blast off. See how fast you can move like a squid. And you know what? Squids have a special way to escape danger. Yeah, they can squirt ink out and make the water darker and it'll confuse their predators. Yeah, it's really good to get away. It's like an underwater smoke bomb. Squids are a very important part to the ocean ecosystem, and we can help to protect them by keeping the ocean nice and clean. So let's make sure that we recycle and we reduce our plastic use and take care of the planet. W, whale shark. Just like a clam can retreat into his shell for protection and safety, sometimes it's nice for you to feel safe too, and that can happen with having a safety toy or a blanket that makes you feel safe and secure. So go find something in your house that makes you feel safe, give it a cuddle if you're ever feeling scared.
Thanks for joining me for another segment of Searching in the Sand. Yep, you guessed it, I just got the call from the Coast Guard and I've been told there's 4 sea creatures that have washed up on the beach. We need to get them back in the water or they might not survive. Can you help me find them? Got my favorite bucket. It's got our sun, our octopus, and our crab. Snap, snap. All right, today I think we're gonna use the blue shovel. I found one! Yep! It's a great white shark! These guys definitely like colder water, so we gotta get them back in the water and get them down south. It's my favorite! Purple starfish! Whoa. Lots of shells here. That's not what we're looking for. A green sea turtle! I think I see something. Whoa, look at this! A narwhal! I don't think you're in Australia. No, you definitely like really, really cold water. Well, we did it. We found our 4 sea creatures. We have 1 great white shark, 2 are purple sea star or starfish, 3 are green sea turtle, and 4 are narwhal. Let's get these guys back in the water. Thanks so much for searching with me in the sand today.
What a wonderful day learning about the ocean! Thanks for coming back and learning with me and Starfish. Please like and subscribe to these videos. And remember, in a world of angry sharks, let's all be starfish. Spread that kindness wherever you go. Take care.